And guys, good morning, good morning. Almusal po tayo. Yan po ang ating almusal for today. Ayan, miswa with malunggay leaves. Ayan, oh. Anli sabaw, anli miswa tayo ngayong umagang to sa ating almusal. With egg. At syempre, di mawawala ang fried tuyo. Ayan, oh. Fried tuyo with sausawan na maanghang na suka. Yan, with bawang. Ayan po, only rice din po tayo ngayong umagang to. Ayan oh. Ayan, yummy yummy sabaw with malunggay leaves. Ayan guys, so sarap lasap. Ayan po ang ating breakfast for today. Ayan, mega love shout out po sa inyong lahat. Happy almusal po. And mega love shout out sa lahat ng aking solid supporters. And once again, please like and share my YouTube channel na Tantalizing Eyes. And maraming salamat and good morning sa inyong lahat. Tara guys, kain po tayo ng ating almusal. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yan, sarap ng tuyo. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.